How to repost a post on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can repost an Instagram post. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram right here and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, you are just going to find the post that you want to repost on your story, or you can just repost on your timeline itself. So for example, what you would normally do is tap on the airplane icon to share. And from here, you can just go ahead and tap on add to story. And usually you should be able to add this to your story easily if the creator of the post has allowed it. So this is the first method. But if you want to share this to your own profile or own timeline, then in that case, what you need to do is tap on the share. And right here on the side, you have different icons that you can share on different platforms. But unlike Facebook, there is no direct way to share this to your profile. So what you can try to do is go ahead and take a screenshot of the actual post. And now you can try to crop out the picture like this on the post. Once you crop out the picture, you can just download it like this and then head over to your profile icon. And now you can just create a new post. So just tap on post, select the picture that you just selected, tap on next, and then next, and you should be able to post it to your own profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.